You've probably seen 100 videos saying, learn any language in 90 days. Sounds great, right? But deep down, it's never that easy. Here's the truth. Fluency in 90 days, unrealistic. But real progress in 90 days, absolutely possible. The problem isn't that people don't have time or talent, it's that they follow unrealistic plans. They start with excitement, but no structure. So after 2 weeks, motivation dies and the dream fades. In this video, I'll show you a real step-by-step roadmap, what to do in each phase, how to measure progress, and how to stay consistent even when motivation drops. Let's start with setting expectations. You won't sound native. You won't understand Netflix shows without subtitles. But here's what you can expect in 90 days. Understand basic conversations in your target language. Learn 600 to 1,000 useful words. Build the confidence to actually use the language. And most importantly, develop the habit that will carry you beyond 90 days. Think of it like building a house. The first 90 days, you're laying the foundation, strong, stable, ready for growth. Without that, every other attempt will collapse. Now let's talk about the 3 phases of this 90-day roadmap. Phase 1, build the habit, days 1 to 30. Your goal here isn't perfection, it's consistency. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day is enough if you actually do it every day. Pick one time that fits your schedule, maybe after breakfast or before bed, and make it non-negotiable. This phase is about creating a routine your brain expects. During these 30 days, focus on learning the alphabet and basic sounds, starting with 10 to 15 high-frequency words a day, listening to short, slow conversations, using tools like Anki or Quizlet for spaced repetition. By day 30, you won't be fluent, but you'll have something way more powerful, momentum. Phase 2, build the core, days 31 to 60. Now that your routine is solid, it's time to expand your language muscles. Start learning the 500 to 1,000 most common words. Create your own simple sentences. Don't just memorize, use them. You can shadow a native speaker, describe your day out loud, or even talk to AI chatbots in your target language. The key is daily active use, not passive learning. Phase 3, build the flow, days 61 to 90. Now you're ready to connect everything. Focus on listening and speaking naturally. Find short clips, 30 to 60 seconds, repeat them line by line, and mimic the rhythm. Record yourself and compare it with the native audio. Don't aim for perfect, aim for clear. By day 90, you'll notice something crazy. You'll start thinking in that language. Not all the time, but in short moments. And that's where fluency begins. Now let's talk about what most learners do wrong during those 90 days. They jump between resources, one day Duolingo, the next day YouTube, then podcasts, then grammar books, and end up overwhelmed. Here's the fix. Pick one main resource per phase. For example, phase 1, one beginner app or textbook. Phase 2, one YouTube series or podcast. Phase 3, real content, short clips, conversations. You don't need 10 tools. You need one system and repetition. Also, don't measure progress by how many lessons you finished. Measure it by how easily you can use what you've learned. If you can build 50 sentences with the words you know, you're doing amazing. So that's your 90-day roadmap. Realistic, simple, and powerful. No hacks, no miracles. Just a system that works if you stick with it. Now I'm curious. If you could only focus on one skill for the next 90 days, what would it be? Speaking, listening, vocabulary? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Let's grow smarter together, one step at a time. Subscribe for more real science-based strategies to make language learning finally make sense.